Now observe your muscle how they work in your shoulder blade. Shoulder blade का मसल देखो. हाँ, अभी वापस ऊपर आओ. Slowly, slowly. Go down. Slowly. Come up. Raise. Go down. Slowly. Now see the muscle of your shoulder blade. Bit better. Now with this, you can control urination also. Sometimes there is no control for urine. You have to run. Right. If you do this exercise, this pelvic region which is here, this also get stimulated. Right. And this will help you to control urine, stools and all those things. Okay. Okay, now we have to do one more thing. थोड़ा हाथ साइड पे ले लो. नहीं, ऊपर ही साइड पे. साइड पे, शोल्डर की साइड में. अभी हाथ को थोड़ा प्रेशर देके ऊपर आओ. Lift higher and comfortably. Now go down. Go down again. Rest your head on your hand again. Now this is a good thing. Okay, show down. Now this will relax your entire spine muscles. ठीक है? Okay. Again do the same technique. नहीं, हाथ ऊपर रख दो. प्लेटफॉर्म बना लो, हाथ का प्लेटफॉर्म. And relax. Now you have to do one more thing. You continue these 3 movements. Continue this movement for 3 times. Now you change the movement. Mumbai, you change the movement. When you are going down, you inhale. When you come up, you exhale. And see what difference you find. Inhale and exhale. Right. Now all of you observe what is happening. Look at this back, what is happening. Then you will enjoy. Can you see the difference? The range is changing. The range is changing. It is becoming more comfortable, more relaxed. Now you change your breathing pattern. Now change your breathing pattern. Reverse. Inhale and exhale को reverse कर दो. And see the difference. Now whatever he is doing, he is doing without efforts, in a more relaxed way. Now put your hand again, make a platform and rest for a while. सो नहीं जाना. Now you change the movement. Come on. Now you change the movement of your eyes. अभी जब आप ऊपर आए थे ना, आप ऊपर देख रहे थे, अभी आई का मूवमेंट चेंज कर दो, रिवर्स कर दो, एंड सी द डिफरेंस. Inhale you also do along with your eyes. Change the movement, all 4 movements, and see the difference again. आई का मूवमेंट चेंज कर दो अभी. Now keep the movement small. बहुत ऊपर नहीं आओ, small movement करके देखो what is the difference. Go down. ये 3 दफे करो एंड देन टेक अ हायर मोमेंट. Now take a higher moment. No, as much as you can, comfortable and easily. Now what's the difference? Okay, thank you. अभी क्या हुआ difference?
Lower back.
You feeling better, comfortable or pain? क्या हुआ? Now do the same movement with closing your eyes. आंख बंद करके you do the same movement. हाँ, full movement with close of your eyes. Don't push up with your hand, na? Take only the support. One more. Now close your eyes and do this. Okay, now again make the platform. Make the platform. Rest for a while. Now see the position of your muscles on your back, your shoulder and your arm. How they feel?
Relax.
Very much relaxed? And all joints? Right? How do you feel now? Okay, come on, now get up. You can get up now. Thank you, God bless you. Feeling better? Now just see your spine, your movement. Sit up करके देखो. See the position of your knee. Feeling better? Thank you, sir. God bless you. These are the simple 7 exercises which one can do for your spine control. Any question? Any question? No question. Good. So you like this simple technique or you didn't like it? Difficult? I know it's a bit difficult, but unless you yourself experience, you can't come to a conclusion. It was my wish that all of we should do it together. But since there is no proper things available, only Om by poor shape हर time करके दिखाते हैं. But it is better next time. It is better that all of we should do it together. Otherwise you can't enjoy. You will not follow what is happening. Am I right, sir? This you can do 1 or 2 days enough. Then again if you feel there is some garbage, you can do it again. Now this technique known as awareness program and pain management. So if you are aware about your problem, then only you can find out the solution. But if you are not aware about the problem, then how you can find out the solution? So these are the known as awareness technique. Right? Now there is a lot of exercise, but will not go, there will be a lot of confusion. Now I would invite if any questions regarding the health, wealth, health or wealth? But here people are more worried about the wealth. Okay. Now all of you, one small exercise we'll do it together. Right? First of all, you remove your cross. Cross निकाल दो. भाई cross करके कभी नहीं बैठना. Otherwise you will develop more knee pain. Avoid sitting cross leg. ठीक है? हाँ, right. No cross leg is invited. I don't want you that you become patient and come to me for a treatment. ठीक है? Now take your both the hand, rub it rigorously. Rub it rigorously. जैसे गुस्सा आता है ना मारने के लिए हाथ गरम करते ऐसे don't do it on me. Keep your fingers open. Keep your fingers open. Now, all of you concentrate which area of the body you have pain. Headache, stomachache, backache,